What's going on, guys? Ryan Martello here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, and today we are going to be doing a review on the Waves platform. We're going to be looking into their key features as well as the price movement to give you guys a good understanding about what Waves really is. So to start things off, gain access to the Waves platform solutions for storing, trading, managing, and issuing your own digital assets easily and securely. So Waves is a rather interesting platform and puts a little twist on the traditional tokenizing system. If we go down here, we can get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. To get your own internal digital currency, issue your own token. So on the Waves platform, anyone can issue their own token. Now, it's not a traditional cryptocurrency that you can put onto the blockchain like the Ethereum blockchain where you can do that. But on this platform, you can issue your own token under 1 minute. And later on, I am going to be showing you guys how to do so. So to get your own internal digital currency, use blockchain for crowdfunding, pay for goods, services, use tokens to create voting systems, and loyalty or discount programs. They have released their own tokens on Waves, and these are a couple companies down here that have done their own tokens on the Waves platform. So this is a kind of fun and unique way of kind of setting up a loyalty system or a discount program or a voting system where you can create your own token and then issue those tokens out to people on the Waves platform. Their other feature is going to be their decentralized exchange. Now, this decentralized exchange is rather new. It is the beta version, so it's not the official version, but we can still check it out and use the exchange if you'd like to do so. These are a handful of their key milestones that they like to tell you about the exchange. Trade without limits. There are no limits on withdrawals and any cryptocurrency. Purchased immediately and appears in your wallet's balance. Trade quickly and safely. A centralized matcher and high channel capacity allow you to make deals as quickly as on a centralized exchange, but without the risk of losing your money. Don't waste your money on high commission fees. Our exchange has a small fixed commission on a per order basis. Never worry about the safety of your assets. Funds are kept in your wallet, not on the exchange. So this is a decentralized exchange, and I'm sure a lot of us already know the benefits of decentralized exchanges. The main benefits is that you don't have to put in any real personal information when using these exchanges other than a username and a password. And you have your seed to your account for your wallet. The exchange themselves, they do not have access to your wallet. You are the one with the access to the wallet. So that's the benefits as well with this exchange, is that it is decentralized. No one has access to any of your personal information or your cryptocurrency funds. If we go over to their decentralized exchange, this is the current wallet. Again, this is the beta version, not the official version, but it is still all functional. This is the wallet right here. As you can see, you have all your different cryptocurrencies listed out. I gotta say, this is one of the most attractive wallets that I personally see on for desktops. It's very easy, simple layout. I really like how they have this graph. So when you do put funds onto the wallet, you can see the overall growth of your cryptocurrencies across the board. And they also do have a wallet for Android and iOS. So if you are interested on having a wallet on your mobile device, you can go check those out as well. If we go over to your portfolio, this will list out all the currencies down here. Of course, I don't have anything on here because this is for video purposes. Transaction histories would all be here. And then leasing. You can actually lease Waves to developers. So if I wanted to, I could lease out Waves to any developers, and in doing that, I can gain a little bit of interest on those Waves, and then whenever I want to stop leasing, I can do so. So that's a real interesting thing that we haven't seen that often in the crypto space. Over here, this is the Decentralized Exchange, their DEX on the Waves platform. It's a rather traditional exchange like others we've seen in the crypto space. You have your charts here. You have all your trading pairs over here. Their markets is that they have Waves, Bitcoin, and the Ethereum market. And I have them all listed out right here. Again, this is the beta, so it's not the official version. Over here, you have your order books, your sells and your buys, and the current price in the middle. Down here, buy and sell, very traditional, very nice layout, very simple to do. Up here you have your different indicators, so if I wanted to put on Bollinger Bands, I could do so, and as you can see, they pop up on the chart. Down here, this is where you can create your own token on the Waves platform. All you would do is put in the name of the asset. Say I wanted to name this the Crypto Fiend coin. Crypto Fiend. I could give a description of what the coin is for. So say I wanted this coin for discounts on purchases for merchandise or something. I could put the total amount of tokens I want. So say I want 10,000 tokens, and then I could put the decimal, which I could just put as 0, and then that would be the preview, Crypto Fiend 10,000, and then all you have to do to get this token is pay 1 Waves, which is around $2.85 right now. So for $2.85, you can create your own token on the Waves platform. And again, the benefits of creating your own token, it can be kind of just fun to do, but you can also use it for promotional reasons. Say I wanted to create this token for my merchandise on my website, selling t-shirts or hats or whatever. I can create this token, and when you go to fill out the payment system, if you have a Waves token, you can get a discount on the merchandise, stuff like that, as well as voting system. If you have a token, you get 1 vote towards something. So it's kind of a fun way to, even with just friends, but even small companies that want to initiate this sort of token system into their platform for a handful of different reasons. So those are their 3 main features. They have the token system where you can create your own token for the Waves platform. You have the decentralized exchange, which is still in beta, but I gotta say this exchange does seem to run smoothly. And then we have their wallet, well, their leasing system, but their wallet over here, which I gotta say is very aesthetically pleasing. It's a very easy to use interface. As you can see, it's simple layout. So those are their main key features. When it comes to the overall price movement for this cryptocurrency, Waves is kind of doing their own thing right now when it comes to the price movement, as the majority of cryptocurrencies are in the space. Currently at $2.87 with an all-time high of $17.06. That gives us a 6 times pullback from their all-time highs. So definitely not the worst time to be looking at Waves right now. Currently ranked 45 with a market cap of $287 million, and their circulating supply is their total supply at 100 million Waves. So this is the chart for you guys. High of $17.06, currently at $2.87. We really haven't experienced these price levels since back in around September of 2017, and before that was around July to August of 2017. So Waves has definitely been up in gains for quite a while. We are trending downwards right now, so if you are interested, not the worst time to be looking into this platform. If you are interested, you can go pick it up on the majority of cryptocurrency exchanges. We have Tidex, the Waves decentralized exchange themselves, Bittrex, Yobit, Binance, Upbit, Huobi, Bittrex, I think I already said Bittrex, HitBTC, etc. You guys get the gist. Your best bet would probably be to go through Tidex, the Waves decentralized exchange themselves, Bittrex, or even Binance, because the majority of those have the highest trading volume. So let me know down below what you guys think about the Waves platform. It's a rather simple platform, but it has a lot of key benefits, especially when we start to get that mass adoption. I could see a lot of companies wanting to utilize this tokenization system on the Waves platform to really help in their company. You can set up voting systems, discounts for purchases, purchase stuff with the Waves tokens themselves, all that sort of stuff. So I think it definitely has its use case. It might not be right now. We definitely need more exposure across the board for cryptocurrencies, as well as their new decentralized exchange and wallet. Rather attractive exchange and wallet, something I am going to start using for a little bit, get the hang of it, see how I like it, all that sort of stuff. So let me know down below what you guys think about the Waves platform. Are you interested? Are you not interested? All that sort of stuff. If you're not subscribed and this video was informative, consider subscribing for quality cryptocurrency content in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next.